All right, I finally got the Smarter Scrubber, and we're going to open it up for the first time. Destin from Smarter Every Day invented this. This is his invention, but he made it all in the United States of America, except I think for the knob that's on the back, if I understand, it was made elsewhere, Costa Rica, if I remember correctly. It doesn't matter. I mean, it does, but we'll get there. Anyway, I'm super excited. It's Father's Day, and this is my Father's Day gift. And so let's open it up. Thank you from a fella by the name of Wallace. You're welcome, Wallace. Look at this. That feels like a weapon. That is stout. That will last a long, long time, I'm sure. This is a buy it once kind of tool. Oh my gosh. That silicone has the right kind of pressure to it. And then, as I understand it, we can take off this Costa Rican knob with the American flag on it. We can add or subtract the handle, clean the cast iron pan. Wow, that's really nice. Awesome. Thank you, Destin, for making this, and thank you, son, for giving it to me for my Father's Day gift. I can't wait to use it. Summertime's here, be grilling, and we won't have any perforations in our intestine, which is a nice thing to not have happen. So